First of all, open Gallery on the Samsung phone. You can see three lines at the bottom right corner. Click on it, and you will see some options. From here, click on Settings. At the bottom, you will see About Gallery. Click on it. Here you can see your gallery version. Click on it continuously until you see Gallery label is on. Now go back and you can see Gallery label option. Click on it. Here you can see many options. Scroll down and a little bit, and you can see album entry lock now. Toggle is not, and then click Portrait and nose you can see is on. Now go back to albums. Long quest the album you want to lock. Then press on three dots at the bottom right corner. You can see knock album option. Click on it. As you can see, this album is locked. If you want to open it, click on it and enters your password. If your phone supports fingerprint, you can also unlock this with your fingerprint. But this time my phone is not supported fingerprint, so I have to enter password. Now, as you can see, it is open. Now, if you want to remove look from album, then click on three dots on the top right corner and select unlock album. Now you can see log is removed from album. That's it if you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.